oi, oi. Oi, oi. Oh. I already hate my hair. Who saw that coming? Who saw that coming? I miss the blonde. I miss the blonde. I might put some blonde. Oh, that's already faded out. Look, I haven't even washed it yet. This bit just was so blonde at the front. Why is that already faded when I haven't washed it? I don't know. Yeah, who saw that coming? Place up. I bet 97% of you saw that coming. Because I do this every time I do my hair, don't I? It is 1:20. Kids are all in school. I've done some orders. I've got a creepy doll to post, a creepy doll head to post. I've got 2 cards to post. And I've got a cake box to post. So I need to go and do that. I've just had my lunch. I feel like I need a nap. And that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna go and pack up this stuff. Got a few more little bits to pack up. And then I want to make sure the kids' rooms are so tidy. I'm not going to tidy them. I'm just going to make sure they're less of a shithole. Where's my tarot cards? I don't know, my glasses are so dirty. It's unreal. Like, I don't even think you can see how dirty they are. Look how dirty they are. That's embarrassing. Okay, I'm going to go downstairs and clean my glasses. The first point of call is going to clean my glasses. Yeah, I will talk to you in a little while, possibly. We'll see.